Hey everyone, I'm Greg Lamp. I'm the CTO at Civitas Learning, and I'm going to be showing you today some of the latest things that our product development team is working on. So one of the biggest pieces of feedback that we've heard from customers is that Civitas is great for helping with persistence and completion, but there are other outcomes and there are other things that the universities and colleges are trying to improve. And so we've been developing this capability that internally we call the multi-outcome or the multi-model approach. And what this allows us to do is to create configurable outcomes that are based off of the data and the things that matter most to each individual school. So, for example, we've got in this environment outcomes configured for thriving, for persistence, completion, how students are engaging on campus. Are they using the facilities and the different resources available? Even things like career readiness and how students are best prepared for life after their time at school. These are all things that we can create these outcomes and dashboards for. And we're able to do that by ingesting a variety of different data sources from schools and then working closely with them to better understand what makes each one of these tick and how we can best model that data. In addition to these dashboards, we're also able to do all this type of modeling at the individual student level. So everything's bottoms up, as I like to say. We can look at we could look at some of those cohorts and aggregate groups that I was just showing, but we can also drill down and identify for each individual student how are they faring with regard to each one of those outcomes every single day. And not only that, but we can actually dive in deeper and understand what are the actual pieces of data that are changing and driving those changes in their scores as well. So hopefully you like the video. If you want to learn more about Civitas Learning and what we're working on, you can visit our website at civitaslearning.com, and we'll be doing a lot more videos just like this. Thanks.